Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of 𝗥𝗘𝗖𝗢𝗢𝗠.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a very simple way to manually add people to your autoresponder without using a lead capture page. Now, for a lot of you, you might be held back from building an email list because you don't have the tech skills or the time to build a lead capture page. So I'm going to share with you a very simple strategy how you can build your list without a lead capture page. So for this example, we're going to be using Aweber. Aweber is the autoresponder that I use. I've been using it since I got started with my business in 2010. It is the industry standard and the customer service is outstanding. So what we're going to do in the way you're going to add people to your list is when you're out talking to people, what you want to be doing is not prospect them to your product, service, or business opportunity. You want to be prospecting to add them to your list. So as you're talking to people, what you're going to do is you're going to invite them to join your email newsletter. So you're going to say something along the lines, and we're going to use the health and wellness industry and weight loss example, where you can say, you know, I have a great newsletter where I help people, give them tips and strategies on how to lose weight. I share recipes, I share YouTube workout videos, I share podcasts, a lot of great tips that I know that will help you lose weight without sugar crashes or feeling hungry. With your permission, may I add you to my list? Very, very simple. Now, a lot of people, when they hear that, they'll be like, you know what? That sounds really interesting to me. Yeah, add me to the list. Okay? And then you say, great, what's your best email? So they're going to give you their email. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into Aweber and you're going to find your list. And you're going to come down on this menu and you're going to see subscribers. You're going to click on add subscribers. And you're going to come to a page just like this. And then you're going to have a couple of different options. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on add one at a time. You're going to put in the person's name if you want. It's optional. The email, absolutely. Okay, you don't have to do anything with tags. That's something a little bit more advanced, but you can leave that open for now. If you want to put in their phone or phone number, not a big, I usually don't. I just want their email. Down here, consent, you want to put yes, and then the consent date. So that, so when you've talked with them and the day you're adding them, that's the date you're going to put in, okay? Now, what you're going to do then is just click add subscriber. And that's it. Now you've added somebody to your list. Now here's another cool thing. Aweber has an app on their phone, all right, where you can download the Aweber app. You put in your login information. This comes up as well, and you can add people from your phone. So this is a really fast way for you to get started. Now, should you be learning how to do lead capture pages? Absolutely. Eventually, you're going to want to do that as a way to automate the process as you get more people added to your list. And you want to pay close attention because in the next video, I'm going to share with you how you can see a very simple lead capture page software system. A lot of the new software systems out there for lead capture pages are getting easier, and I'm going to share with you one in the next video that will literally blow your mind on as to how easy it is to build a lead capture page. But for now, start here, start manually adding people to your list, because building your email list right now is very, very important. It is the #1 skill to growing your home business. It is your #1 asset. So I hope you got value today. If you did, let me know in the comments section. And if you want to get involved in an email marketing workshop, there's one happening this weekend. and it will walk you through how to set up your Aweber account. If you don't know how to set that up, we're going to help you set it up correctly. In addition, we're also going to be showing you how to write your first email and giving you templates for follow-up emails so you know exactly what to say to your list to turn that list into buyers. So if you want to be a part of that workshop, all you have to do is go to meetdrlisathompson.com/list launch. That is drlisathompson.com/list launch. You will come to a page just like this. You can watch the training here. It's a preview of what's going to be happening, and then register. And if you can't make the training and workshop training live, you will get lifetime access to the recordings. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.